Okay, let's get to work here. Have a bite of sandwich. Have a little sip of coffee. Ooh, I need to take some notes.
Miss Hands?
Yes, Fizzy.
Do you happen to like fidgets?
Yeah, why do you ask?
Because you have fidget toys everywhere! There's even fidget toys in this claw machine and Elsa and Anna! Hey guys, Anna just asked me if I'd like to build a snowman, and I would. But we have no snow!
Guys, I don't know how we'd make a snowman without snow.
Well, why don't we just make some snow? I don't know, guys. That seems like it'd be really hard. Please, 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 Fizzy. If you can win something from the claw machine, then Fizzy will use his Fizzy magic to help us make snow. You got yourself a deal. Let's do this. Miss Hands, let's get this started.
Okay, first we need to get it started, and then, Elsa, it's all yours.
Harder than it looks. Anna, go for it. We gotta make snow. You got it, big sister. I did it. We get to make snow.
Great job, Anna. You got this little squishy. So cute. And now it's time to make snow. Oh, Fizzy.
Woohoo! Here we go. A Fizzy, Wizzy, and Fizzy, and Bob.
Whoa, Fizzy. That's a lot of fun stuff for making snow.
Well, what are you waiting for? Let's make snow.
So it looks like we have Insta Snow Powder. Make snow anywhere, anytime. Expands 100 times instantly. Are you serious? Just add water to make fluffy snow. Makes 12 gallons. We are not making 12 gallons. That's too much. So you just measure, mix, and watch. Hey, Fizzy, what's with the Stuffaloons? I've seen Dr. Squish use it.
That's right, Dr. Squish does use it. And I figured we can make some snow, and then we can make a snow squishy.
Oh, good idea. And what about the Snowman Poppet?
Let's put snow in it, and then we can pop it.
And the glitter add-ins?
Oh, that's to make the snow extra pretty.
All right, Fizzy, let's do this.
Woohoo!
Since this expands 100 times its size, I don't think we need very much. We'll just pour a little bit in here. And let's add this water. Whoa! Whoa! Look at it grow! It immediately grows so big. That's amazing! And this got really heavy. Let's see if it feels like snow. It does! This is amazing! It's so fluffy and light.
Ooh, I want to touch it. I want to touch it. Yes, that is so amazing.
Before we build a snowman, let's make our snow squishy. Dr. Squish style. We'll put our balloon in here. Pump out the air and expand that balloon. Do you see it expanding? When something expands, it gets bigger, just like our balloon. Okay, I think that's big enough. Now count with me as we add the snow. 1, 2, 3. How many do you think we'll need to fill this up?
Oh, I think you'll need 10 spoonfuls, but let's add some glitter in there.
Good idea, Fizzy. Everybody, keep the number 3 in your head because we need to keep counting. But first, we're adding some blue sequin glitter. And let's keep counting. 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold that number in your head. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. 8, 9, 10. There's still room for a little more. Let's sprinkle, sprinkle. Let's keep counting. 11, 12. Let's do lucky number 13. Okay, time to close up our balloon and squeeze our squishy. Time to get it out. Look at our snowball. It's so squishy. And look where the balloon looks a little bit yellow when we squeeze it. It turns white, and it has our blue glitter sequins in there. This is so squishy and so awesome. The more we squeeze it, the more we mix up the snow, and the more beautiful it gets.
That squishy was beautiful and so much fun. Can we make a snowman now?
Yes, we can, Elsa. Wet snow is the best snow for making snowmen. So I'm adding more water to make this nice and wet and a little less fluffy. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, that's so much better for our snowman. Oh, it actually feels even more like real snow. Let's put it in our poppet. Can I flip it over and make a snowman in the snow? Now let's see how he looks when we take this off. Whoa! It's a snowman poppet. Let's pop him. Pop, 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 pop. And if we put snow in here and pop them from the bottom, pop, 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 pop. So much fun.
Okay, I have to admit, that was even more fun than I expected. I know, a poppet snowman? Who would have thought? One more thing. This is so cool. Can we make one more squishy?
Okay, Elsa, let's do it.
Hooray! I have these itty bitty little snowflakes.
Oh, thanks, Anna.
And I have hair gel.
Hair gel? What do we need that for?
Huh, for the squishy, of course.
Oh, this is going to be interesting. And I have some holographic silver sequin to put in there. Here we go again. Let's go ahead and put this balloon on. Ah! Get the balloon out. Put the balloon back in. That's more like it. Pump it up, 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 pump, pump, pump. Whoa! That's enough. We don't want it to pop. Well, put Phoebe's hair gel in here. Who knew she wore hair gel?
It's what keeps my hair looking so fabulous.
It does look nice. Snowflake time. Oh no, what is going on? Ah, we need more air in there. It's a disaster. Oh my. And now let's quickly put some snowflakes in here. Let's pump it more. And add our silver holographic sequin. And a little more of Phoebe's fabulous hair gel. And top it off with more snowflakes. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Do a little cleanup here. Ew, hair gel is kind of gross. We'll put this in. Ew, so far so good. Give it a little twist and put this clamp on. We want to keep all that hair gel in there. Whoa! Please don't explode. Please don't explode. Please don't explode. And here is our squishy. And it doesn't look so great right now, but let's squeeze it. Squish it. Look at that! Do you see all those snowflakes? The more we squeeze it, the more we can mix them all together. Ooh, that is so pretty! And the silver sequin are little hearts. It looks like a beautiful, icy snowball.
We've had so much fun making snow, making squishies, making a snowman. This was awesome. I hope you guys have a fizzy fantastic day, and we will